Okay, so you can now have your picture. So now, last but not the least, okay, so we will have the second, okay, nagmamahal talaga kay Joanna, one of the, yun, tumayo talaga magulang kay Joanna. We have Father June, Papa June. Maybe ikaw ang Papa June. Take a moment with Joanna.
Lapit na eh. Marami nagkukuha. Ikaw na nakukunan. Para lang magkapatid ah. Para magkuya lang ah. Che. Chen. Yun na lang. Ayan.
So you can now have your picture together.
Picture. Para lang magkuya eh. Bait naman eh.
So now, all the